5 t-shirts and a hat cost £22. 2 t-shirts and a hat costs £10. How much does a t-shirt cost? How much does a hat cost? So notice I've used blue for t-shirts and red for hats. So let's just demonstrate. I'm going to use a blue box for t-shirts and I'm going to use a red box for hats. Okay, so it says that 5 t-shirts, so I need to pick 5, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you can do them in different colours like I am doing, or you can do them different sizes, it doesn't really matter, but there's 5 t-shirts and a hat. And that equals £22. And then I'm going to put directly underneath 2 t-shirts. So that's 1, 2 t-shirts and a hat again. And that costs £10. Okay, so we need to be able to compare these. Now you can see that there's actually the same amount of hats in each of those lines. So I'm actually going to move all of these across. Over to here. And I'm then going to look at the difference between the two lines. So this bit here must be the difference between these two numbers, because these are 3 blue boxes bigger. So this must be 22 take away 10, which is 12. So all of this must be 12. And that's because this bit here is 10 and all of this together is 22. So 10 add 12 is 22. So I can now figure out what goes into each of these 3 boxes here, because if this is 12, then 12 divided by 3 is 4. So in each of the blue boxes is 4. And now if I just look at the bottom line, and I can see that all of these must add to 10. Well, I've already got 4, add 4 is 8, so I know that this is here is 8, which means that altogether this bit here must be 2. So what have I found? I found that the blue box is representing £4, so a t-shirt is £4, and I found that a red box is £2, so that's a hat is £2.